Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by proving ownership. Apple will not remove activation lock without it. Once done, locate the original receipt or a carrier bill showing the iPhone 5 serial or IMEI and match your name or transaction. Make sure to have a government ID ready and the device powered and on the activation lock screen, connected to Wi-Fi. If you purchase from a seller, contact them first and request they remove the device from their iCloud. This saves time and is required for legitimate removal. Next, contact Apple support or book an in-store Genius Bar appointment and explain you need activation lock removed. You will be guided to upload scan proof of purchase and a photo of your ID, follow file format and legibility instructions. Once submitted, Apple verifies the documents against their records and the device serial or IMEI. Be patient. Verification can take a few business days. If the device was transferred, make sure the previous owner explicitly authorizes removal in iCloud, or finally, follow Apple's final instructions. If they approve, they will remotely remove activation lock or guide you through reactivation. If your request is denied, ask for specific reasons and supply any missing paperwork. Sometimes a clearer receipt image or proof of transfer resolves the issue. Make sure to document all communications and keep case numbers. Avoid third-party bypass tools or services. They risk scams, bricked devices, and legal problems. If needed, escalate through Apple Support Management or Consumer Protection in your region.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.